Hi, welcome to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to make your phone vibrate continuously without an app and explain how to use built-in settings to do it easily. This video is quick and simple. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app from your home screen. This is where all system controls are located on your phone. Step 2. Tap Sounds and Vibration. This section controls ringtones, vibration patterns, and alert styles. It's important because vibration settings are managed directly from here. Step 3. Tap Sound Mode or Sound option and select Vibrate or Vibrate for calls, depending on your phone model. This ensures your phone uses vibration instead of sound for incoming calls. Step 4. Tap Call Vibration Pattern or Call Vibration. This menu shows different vibration styles available on your device. Choosing a longer or continuous pattern helps your phone vibrate for a longer duration during calls. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful phone tips and tutorials.